made a movie like Seth Row. And since I came in the game, they careers on death row.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess. I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a bacon wild bake. So first we're gonna smoke, then we're gonna make some brownies. You think this is wild? Yeah, at this point. Let's talk about motivation. Go ahead and motivate them. Oh, you go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all some motivation. Just do it. Just do it, because if you don't do it, then nobody's gonna do it like you. When you do it, you'll never see anything like that. There'll never be another vibe like that. You make the do. Do it. No, go ahead. It's your turn. Come on. Anything. Just some motivation to anybody that needs to hear it. Anybody going through hard times. Anybody going through good times. Like, motivate them. I always get lip gloss on the blunt. Purr. It's not lipstick, it's lip gloss.
I said it's sticky.
Well, go ahead with your motivation.
It's always somebody that's having a worse day than you. All you have to do is try to make sure it's better than what they're having. You get shot every day. You still walking around. Still, you could be in the grave, you could be in the hospital. You still breathing and kicking. Use that life that you got. Go live. Simple.
There we go. I like that better. I like that better because it's like you were going somewhere at first and then you lost them. If y'all both having bad days, is there really your worst day? Like, y'all both doing bad.
They should. Your day going better than his bad day. Some days, your bad day is worse than somebody else. Be considerate. Remember, everyone's just going through something. What you're going through is never worse than somebody else's.
To piggyback off of what he's saying, Sonder. Everybody goes through something that's deep. What? Why are you looking like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
I was thinking of Brett Fire.
Oh yeah. It's just the awareness that everybody is living their life as deep as you, if that makes sense. Like the emotions you feel, somebody else feels that too. Like you're not the only one going through it, basically. We're having a conversation. Right. You don't need TikTok. I don't need TikTok though. It's just when I'm bored.
What do they ban Pinterest?
Why would they do that?
I'm just saying, what do they do?
What I'm gonna do? Part of my character. I'd rather that than Twitter. No, I'm saying that's you. Twitter's a part of your character. Mm-hmm.
What like I prefer that?
For different reasons. We know why you like Twitter.
Why?
Exactly. That's why you look like that. I ain't gotta say nothing.
Shall we go to the Twitter on your phone?
I'm not addicted to Twitter like you are. I probably get on there. I probably get on Twitter like twice a week.
But what's the sole reason you have Twitter for?
Just in case. My preferences are preferencing.
What reason you have?
Twitter preferences. I'm not finna go searching for sites like that.
Yeah, but you gonna type in that on Twitter though.
Yeah.
Social media site.
Cause I'm gonna see what I want right there. I don't gotta go searching for it. Like, most of the content on Twitter is posted by that person. But like websites,
A lot of reposts.
right, that's cool. But I'm talking about like you'll find people on there posting their own content. But on websites like that, people are just using other people. Are you gonna pass the blunt?
My phone, they was talking about how they said they do, they shot that CEO. Yeah, just turned 26 and then got mad, he got to get off his haircut plan, so he shot him. Get funny, but it's a little better, like, dang, you got to get off your parent healthcare. He said, nah, this shit matters to us.
What's your goals for next year? Okay, like what kind of car you want?
Trying to figure that out.
We're gonna take really good pictures every occasion, every holiday, for the memories. I can see, there's no error, nothing.
Is there supposed
Look
to
at
be
mine. Exactly.
I don't think they're supposed to be.
This one don't got air, it's snug.
I don't think it's supposed to be extra space, though. Is it?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, tonight we're gonna watch Baddies and Johnson Cabaret. Dang, it's Tuesday now. Gonna make a brownie. Really? Didn't you go to the store this morning? Then how you gonna ask me? Feels so great to have good quality from my videos. I accidentally dropped my phone again, so now there's a glare on my front camera. It's not my phone, it's the screen protector. Wait, what is that? Let's go make brownies. Okay, y'all. I just washed my hands. I'm gonna start making these brownies. This is the brownie mix we got. We're not doing it from scratch. And B is the base. Some vegetable oil. Let's start mixing this up. I accidentally did something.
What you accidentally do?
You see something missing? I think, wait, is that it? Like, I don't see it anywhere. Y'all, I can't find my nose ring anywhere. Oh, in and out of this thing, and I just don't see it. It's okay. It's not okay, y'all. That was the cutest nose ring I had out of all of them. Like,
That's the reason why it's not okay. Like it's the choking hazard to this.
that is a choking hazard.
Oh God.
I wasn't thinking about that part. Me and you could be the only ones that eat it. Do you want to eat it? You do. You don't care. Are you?
Yes.
Exactly.
Can I go get some ice cream?
From where?
Excellent.
Excellent.
A little pint. We'll walk.
Wait, they open 24/7? Oh.
You ain't never knows. You be sweet.
Yeah. I don't see it.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on. I'm like,
This is me.
I get hands on. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had
Yeah,
it.
man,
I
I
ain't
still.
take a shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy fat. I said, girl, that's fat. People know for real. Still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got no legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it home. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss off. Bitch,
This lighting code sucks. It sucks so bad. Waiting on the brownies now. Dublin noodles.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on. I'm like when Dixie, I get bags on. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass on. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit.
This heater. And I really used to post like smoke sessions all the time when I was younger. That does not sound right. Senior year, I would post a lot of smoke sessions. And then I stopped posting them because I stopped posting in general. Now I feel like me just smoking, talking. I like making videos like these because I could just speak. It helps me. Not it helps me, but I just get to talking, so. Yeah, these are what the brownies look like. They're really hot. You see they're spongy, too thick, but they're fudge brownies, so they're thick enough. My boyfriend went to the gas station real quick. Got me one of these, and I'm about to try this brownie. Give y'all a taste test. It's so soft. And the top part, it's like a thin crunch. It's so good. Oh my god. Y'all, I found my nose ring. It really felt in here. These are so good. Guess what? I found my nose ring. And this one.
How did it taste?
My brown?
Your nose ring.
I didn't taste it. It was hard.
Sleep on that. Who wanna home? Then I'm gonna watch Pantheon.
I give the brownies a 10. We about to watch baddies. That's the rest of this video.